This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing starchy potatoes and cutting them into uniform cubes so they cook evenly. Once the water returns to a boil, adjust heat to maintain a gentle boil and test with a fork. You want tender but intact pieces. After draining, put the pot back on low heat briefly to evaporate excess moisture. Make sure to warm butter and milk together so they blend smoothly. Then add a small amount to the potatoes to start softening them before you mash. You now focus on texture and technique. Choose a ricer for silkiness or a sturdy masher for a heartier mouthfeel. Once you begin, add warmed milk and butter gradually in 2 or 3 additions and mash between each, so you can see and feel the texture change. Make sure to fold the mixture rather than vigorously whipping. Overworking releases excess starch and makes it gluey. Taste frequently and add salt as needed, because seasoning at this stage directly affects the final flavor. You finish by adjusting final seasoning and texture. If potatoes are slightly dry, add a splash of warm milk or cream and fold gently until integrated. Make sure to keep them warm but not steaming to preserve structure. If they're lumpy, force them through a ricer or whisk in a bit of warmed cream and a knob of butter to smooth them out. This repairs clumps without overworking. If they turned gluey from too much mixing, rescue them by folding in additional fat and serving immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.